Hey, what's going on, phone dogs? BoHD here, and we've compiled a list of 10 of the best iOS apps to hit the App Store during the month of June 2016. These apps are in no particular order. Let's not waste any time. Let's get started. POTO, Photo Collage Maker, is one of the latest and one of the greatest photo collage apps for iOS. There are hundreds of layouts to choose from, and there are some pretty advanced customization features that allow you to add emojis to your images and adjust your photo's brightness, orientation, and color, as well as various other settings. Of course, there are filters to choose from if you don't want to customize each individual aspect of your photos. You can even digitally alter the focus point, which is pretty neat. Overall, the app looks very modern, it flows very well. You can check it out if you are interested. Links below to download it, as well as every other app mentioned in this video. Prism is a visually stunning game. It's been nominated for several awards, in fact. It's described as being a visually stunning journey through a microcosmic galaxy. You touch shapes and patterns to unfold sacred geometry and reach the ethereal soul. Each level is a push and pull of cinematic design, mythology, and intuitive touch exploration. It's unlike any other game I've played before. It's very zen, definitely helps to relieve some stress. Hyperburner is a slightly more intense game, just a little bit. The goal is to navigate through various obstacles and various maps. The controls are very simple, but it did take me several tries to finally get an understanding of them. You long press to fly through the map, and you drag around the screen to move the ship around the map and around obstacles. The further you advance, obviously, the harder the maps become. It's a lot of fun. Best of all, it can be played in portrait or landscape mode on the iPhone or iPad. Draw Calendar is a calendar app where you draw in your events, just like you would on a whiteboard. So you can write in events, or you can draw pictures. Maybe you want to highlight something by circling it or drawing an arrow. You can do that in this app. You're not limited to what you can type on a keyboard. All of your entries will be synced to your devices in real time. They'll even be available offline as well. The app makes me actually want to use a digital calendar, or at the very least, keep up with my digital calendar. I'm fairly new to this app, but I could see myself using it long term, even if I decide to only designate it for keeping track of video making, for example. The Infatuation restaurant review for New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Chicago. This app is exclusive to several big cities like the ones I just mentioned, as well as Austin and Denver, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time talking about it, but it's an app that features a bunch of reviews of restaurants and bars. The app has a lot of positive ratings. I think if you plan on traveling to one of these cities, or you're living in one of these cities, you should check out this app and see what's nearby. Fingers crossed that they expand their selection to maybe include Portland and other less populated cities in the future. ViewVU is another photo collage app of sorts. It's different than POTO in that it centers around video and ultra-wide video specifically. You start by creating your own 6-second masterpiece, which can be split up in segments to create one 6-second montage. Once you do that, you can add stickers to your videos. You can change how it looks by altering the brightness and contrast and all that fun stuff. And then you can share it with the world, add it to your camera roll, do what you want with it. It's pretty cool. There's lots of fun filters and effects to mess around with here. Tablet Hotels just came out with their official app. This is not a sponsor, but the site does, appear to have a loyal following for its reliable reviews of various hotels. I wanted to include it in addition to the Infatuation app because the two kind of go hand in hand. You can use the Infatuation app to look up reviews of nearby restaurants, and you can use Tablet Hotels to look up hotels. The app, or the layout, is very well designed. You can enter in your destination, arrival, and departure time, and it caters a bunch of hotels to you with the rates, location, pictures, and amenities listed as well. It's pretty great. Perchang is a game that's just fun to say, nothing more. Perchang. Now, it's actually pretty fun to play as well, even better to look at. You'll see it features unique 3D graphics. The goal is to guide the tiny balls to their goal using active flippers, magnets, portals, fans, and anti-gravity hoops, as well as many more gizmos to help you complete each stage. There are 60 levels in total, so it should provide you with hours of puzzle-solving fun. Adventure Company is the last game on the list, and it's completely different than the rest as it's an RPG game. Your Adventure Company consists of a group of warriors that you control and use to explore and find ancient relics from the past. You build up a team, you unlock classes, you level up, learn new skills, and find equipment. Of course, you engage in some hand-to-hand combat as well. There is some strategy involved, of course, as you'll need to find ways to conquer environments and various scenarios to rise to ultimately become the best and the most profitable company in the land. The last app is one that's being forced down our throats like Messenger, and that is Facebook's new Moments app. Moments, get the photos you didn't take. The app groups your photos based on who is in them and when they were taken. In one tap, you can send your photos to your friends, and then your friends can add their photos to the moment. It's kind of a neat idea because your photos aren't public for the whole world to see. They're sent to a specific number of friends or a specific friend. The only requirement for this app is a relatively new iPhone or Android device and friends. You don't have any friends, then the app is pretty useless. I'm all alone. There's no one here besides me. That's actually pretty good. I gotta pat myself on the back there. All right, with that last one, those are 10 of the best iOS apps to hit the App Store in the month of June 2016. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are brand new, and let us know which app is your favorite by leaving a comment down below. As always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDog.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.